Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix IPv6 connectivity no network access error in Windows 11. First method is run commands one by one. Second method is enable IPv6. Third method is update network adapter driver. Fourth method is release and renew IP addresses. Fifth method is disable and re-enable network adapter. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.